Ever wondered how to manage gym and MMA together? Well, it's not as daunting as it might initially seem. With a well-thought-out plan, some commitment, and a dash of discipline, it's totally possible to strike a balance between gym workouts and MMA training. So how does one go about this? First things first, determine your goals. Are you aiming to bulk up, build endurance, or simply maintain a fit and healthy body? Your goals will significantly influence how you balance your gym and MMA routines. Next, plan your schedule. A haphazard approach won't yield the desired results. Instead, craft a detailed weekly plan. Dedicate specific days for strength training at the gym and others for MMA. This way, you give your body ample time to recover and maximize the benefits of each workout. Now, onto your gym routine. Remember, gym workouts should complement your MMA training. Include exercises that improve your strength, flexibility, and cardio. Exercises like deadlifts, kettlebell swings, and burpees are great for building strength and endurance. Switching gears to MMA, it's crucial to remember that MMA training is intensive and physically demanding. So it's vital to listen to your body and rest when needed. Overtraining can lead to injuries, which could set you back. Hydration and nutrition cannot be overlooked. They are the fuel that powers your workouts. Aim for a balanced diet rich in proteins, carbs, and healthy fats. Also, keep yourself hydrated throughout the day, not just during workouts. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, consistency is key. It's better to train regularly at a moderate intensity than to train sporadically at high intensity. In summary, managing gym and MMA together requires a clear understanding of your goals, a well-planned schedule, a balanced gym routine that complements your MMA training, and a focus on hydration and nutrition. And of course, consistency. Remember, it's not about how hard you hit, but how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. So stick to your plan, listen to your body, and keep moving forward in your fitness journey. With the right approach and mindset, you can successfully manage gym and MMA together. And that's a wrap. Tune in again for more insights and tips on how to balance your fitness routines and live a healthier, more active life.